Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can check if your new iPhone is real or fake. The first thing that we're going to do is open up phone, head over to your keypad. Here you can type *#06# to get your IMEI number. You can compare this IMEI number with the one provided on your box. The second thing that you can do is open up settings, head over to general, tap on about. Here you can find the model number. You need to give careful consideration to the initial letter of your model number. M symbolizes a new device, F symbolizes a refurbished device, N symbolizes a replacement device, and P symbolizes personalized or engraved device. Here you can also scroll down to find the IMEI number. Long press on it, copy it, then you can open Safari or a browser of your choice and search for Apple's check coverage page. Tap on the first option. Here you can type in your IMEI number. Then Apple will verify it and show you valid warranty details. And then if it's a real iPhone, Apple will verify it and show you valid warranty details. For any further questions, please feel free to comment down below.